So guys, as we all know, the official release date of the Nothing Phone 1 is 4th of July, less than a month from now, and yesterday we got our very first official look of the Nothing Phone 1, and I am really excited, so much excited that I got a little erection. Maybe I was only expecting a transparent design and not literal disco lights on the back of the phone. In a recently uploaded 15 minutes promotional video by Nothing, we got a few shots of the smartphone which confirmed the rumors, and after that the leaks just started to flow right in. From Flipkart to Nothing themselves, everyone uploaded high-res images of the smartphone, and even some videos surfaced which just gave me instant boners. More on that in just a second. So the smartphone from both Flipkart and Nothing official is in white color, and if you remember, this is what Nothing teased, and this is how it corresponds with the smartphone in real life. The C section is indeed for the cameras, and the circular thing is indeed for the wireless charging. The rest of these two sections doesn't really correspond to an actual feature, but coming to the videos, this all lights up, and oh my god, this is literally the dopest shit I have ever seen in a smartphone, better than the ROG light up logos and stuff. According to the source, Nothing has shown the demo of the Phone 1 in a Basel event, and I believe it because the level of detail is too high and the event actually did happen. These pictures and videos are very real, and this all lights up. It has made my day, and I can't really ask for more of a aesthetically pleasing look. It is just pure sex in tech terms. It would be a battery killer, I can assume, but I am ready to take the battery hit to have a literal disco lights on the back of my phone. And these very well could act as notification lights. The whole assembly could light up once or twice when the notification arrives. Afterwards, only this small section could stay blinking. All the leaks we have seen of the smartphone are in white variant, and I think that if there is a black variant, it would really slay. Probably the black variant would debut a little bit later, kind of how they did with the Nothing Ear 1. There is also a little elephant Easter egg at the bottom, you see? Eye, trunk, legs, ear. I really love this little cute elephant. I would be very surprised to hear if the elephant wasn't intentional. The plastic material inside the phone is similar to the material found on the Nothing Ear 1 case, the dotted golf ball like design. We have multiple screws visible as well, 8 in total. The Nothing logo is on the bottom left with some legal FCC stuff on the right hand side. There is a mic and the flashlight right next to the camera housing. It would have been really cool if the C section acted as a flashlight. We could have more of a minimalistic look, but I am really happy with this design. There is also a red dot or something. I don't know the reason of its existence right now. We have the volume rockers on the left hand side and the power button on the opposite hand side. The edges of the smartphone are very flat, just like how they are on the new iPhones. Let me know guys, what do you think about this light up transparent smartphone back? I am absolutely in love with this design. Probably couldn't have asked for more. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Nothing Phone 1. Hit the like button for disco lights. Follow me on socials guys, and thanks a lot for watching.